Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about chocolate cake decorating ideas in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching chocolate cake decorating ideas that suit both home and professional parties. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you're new to my channel and don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decorating ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. If you like and more ideas or specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And then please make sure press the bell icon. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers or any other celebrations. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure birthday cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take screenshot of it and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you like more ideas or if you want to see complete video, then please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz.